Well, I basically didn't know that I had cancer, but I was having a physical, and they found some lumps. And I was just, well, let's check it out, let's do it. And when they came back, my doctor was kind of upset, and she said, I hate to tell you this, but she says, you have cancer and we're going to have to deal with it. I said, right away. And she said, right away. So she sent me downstairs. And then there was a lovely lady, Susan B., and she's a counselor, and there wasn't anything that she couldn't do for me with finances, with gas cards, because I couldn't drive. I had to have a home health nurse. I wouldn't have had all that treatment somewhere else.
It is the most incredible feeling when a patient comes to me and says, I can't make my rent payment. And I can say to them, we can help you. The Cancer Patient Support Fund is a foundation which was started several years ago to meet the many and varied needs of our patients in the foothill communities. We basically reduce the patient's stress. They already have incredible stress with their cancer diagnosis and treatment, and then the survivor period which follows.
I was pretty defeated. I had realized that this cancer thing wasn't just going to be over in a year. A year had come and gone, and here I am still needing things done, still needing medication. I was really in a low place, and she kind of said, well, we have this fund and we can help you out. What do you need? You don't want to go around telling everybody, but the truth is you are kind of worried, like, how am I going to get to the doctors? I don't even have money for gas, or I don't have a way to get there. And it was such a relief to receive those simple gifts. I'm able to get this money to help me get the food that I need to get better. Paying off the car insurance that I owed for the rest of the years took such a weight lifted off of my shoulders that I actually was able to breathe. And then I just felt like, wow, there are people out there that actually care and want to help.
There just isn't anything that these people don't touch. So I'm hoping and praying that people will start donating.
It made me feel like someone actually cared, that people were out there that want to help, and, I appreciate it. So I just want to say thanks.
This is possible because of donations from people in our community. So to those of you who have given in the past, to those of you who are currently giving, a huge, huge thank you. It just brings so much gratitude to my heart and so much pride that our cancer center can say that we can help our patients in this way.
I want to say thank you for thinking about our cancer patients when you make a donation. I also want to thank our current donors and long-term supporters, because without you, this type of care would not be available in our community.